Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone and notification volume panel. Now just to change the ringtone volume, we should slide this dot to the left or to the right side with our finger. Also, I have here the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, and after that click on this settings icon. Then you'll see here the ringtone and notification volume panel. By the same way, just to change the ringtone volume, slide to the left or to the right side with your finger, that's blue dot, and then click here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.